Hey guys, the video that you're about to see was like 2 or 3 days ago. This was on Sunday or Saturday ago. So it wasn't today. I'm just letting you guys know. Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna be smashing my mom's coffee maker. Don't worry, it's okay with my mom. She recently got a new one a few minutes ago because she just came back from a trip from my sister too. So don't worry, it's okay. This is her old one, and I'm gonna be smashing it, board smashing it. If you guys don't know what board smashing is, go look it up yourself, because I'm too lazy to go search it up anyways. We're gonna be starting off smashing it a couple of ways. First, the swing hit. And the lid came off. We're gonna throw a tree. I'm really mad because I try to do something else and it didn't record. So we're gonna toss it up in a tree. I'm pretty sure board smashing is where you smash it, not like. But this is my way of doing board smashing, I guess. Huh. See it? Oh, just look at it. Oh my god. So, unfortunately, my mom said I can't break this because, like, it's glass. She doesn't want glass everywhere. So, yeah, we're gonna smash it. It's plugged in right now, and since it's broken on top, it was steaming earlier, so, and it's plugged in, so, and it kind of smells like coffee, too, so I don't know what to do next. I might grab a hammer or something and like smash it. So I'm gonna grab a hammer real quick. And also I'm gonna do smashing in slow-mo. I hope you guys can like see, I guess, I don't know. But add the angle that way, okay? So yeah, bye. Since I can't find a hammer, I'm just gonna use a brick, I guess. And second, when I'm done smashing this, I'm gonna drench it in water and like spray it with water. 2, 1. Guys, what did I do? It was steaming earlier. Did you see the steam? I don't know if the steam went away. When it was plugged in, it was steaming. But I see like the display. I don't know if the display was affected at all. I don't know. No. I don't see it. Is it melting the plastic? It better not caught on fire or anything. Do you see it? Oh, do you see it over there? I shouldn't move this lamp. I should have done this somewhere else than right here. So yeah, I'm gonna switch it to back over there. Not over here because it's way more. Well, I don't know. Yeah. No, I did put water in this, and it started to like make some noise. Not for free. I don't care. My feet are out. Not. So yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it was hit, but the display does not look like it was affected at all. I'm gonna try to break the display first. I don't know. And the string is not affected at all or anything. So I'm gonna go over here real quick. How steam could do anything, you know? And plus, I could probably get a better angle from here. Maybe get a better angle from here. I don't know, I'm gonna let it cool down. Oh, like coffee drips. Oh my gosh, guys. It did kind of smell like coffee. So yeah. Hold on, guys. So I'm back. I got some proper shoes. I got my Converse. I put this baby back in. And, yeah. I'll be... Oh, sorry. Sorry for my language. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Oh, it's flickering, that's all. It's just a light. It's just It's making noise, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab the hose over there and come back. Guys, for a minute, I saw steam. It better not be melting the plastic or anything. Oh, guys, I'm gonna run with you because I'm pausing. I got a stand. I need the hose. This time, guys, I'm gonna spray water. I'm gonna spray water at it this time, guys. So yeah, you guys are gonna be standing right here. Okay, there's a bench now here. So you guys are gonna be watching right there. Splash it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this in slow-mo. The way that it splashed everywhere when I did the slow-mo though, but like, it even got on my phone though. So yeah. Yeah. Steaming again. Now I just stopped. Whenever time it's recording, the steam doesn't come. But when I'm not recording, the steam likes to come. Guys, do you see it? Oh wait, hold on, sorry. You just slapped that hole. Oh, sorry. Don't know if you can see it, but... I think that might be all for today's video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Probably never, but comment, like, and subscribe. Not a sponsor! Oh. It still has power. It had power earlier. Do you see it? Oh, guys, I see it. How does it have power? It's not even connected. Okay. Back here. Still making no noises. What's that there? And this thing is hot. This is what keeps it warm. It's not even plugged in. Oh my gosh, it broke right there when I don't know. Sorry to let you guys down, but like that's mostly it, I guess. I don't know if you want me guys to see more, but I really wanted to break the little display and see how it looked. That's all I kind of wanted to do. That's all. So yeah, the plugin still has to go in there, but compares now. Hold on. Let me just